name is Scott. I'm an IT operations manager for an engineering consulting firm, HP networking switches. Migration over time, I was using other products and then moved towards the HP networking gear. Generally, the software, so layer 3 switching was native for a lot of the models they had. And so when we looked at that, we could buy kind of a standard type switch and it would do a lot of our functions that we needed to do. And that was what it was. Their support has been good, and the cost long-term or end-of-life cost, the whole life cycle of that has been beneficial. We haven't had to major, replacement every couple of 3 years. They've lasted well, and the support's been good. We haven't had any really major problems with any of our switches, from our core to download at the access level. So we haven't had any major outages. And so right there in itself, the fact that we haven't really had to think about and deal with problems, that's been a big benefit. We have no really issues about what we can do with it, so it's serving our needs and our issues for that. Yes, we have used technical support when we need it, and they've been good. They've been responsive to what we need, and it's been good. Yeah, it's been very easy to set up and maintain, and the platform that they use, different versions that we've had of the different series, they're pretty easy to get up and get running and going. Right now, from what we use and how we use it, the feature set's been good. So for me, support is a key when I'm making a decision. Price, cost is always the case, but looking at support, looking at longevity of the hardware, items along that line, how good the aftermarket support is, and how long the support will last, and how easy it to work with. Yeah, we had a few other vendors that we looked at for different products. Mainly on the support and price break. That was two of the things that we looked at. I would rate them about a 7.5, really, because they've done better than just average switches. They've done a good job for us, and we're going to continue to use them. Looking at a switch comparison, yes, give H3 a try, because it is definitely worth taking a look at. I like to evaluate things ourselves as well, but I also like to see what other people are saying so that we can have something to go by, or at least as a starting point to see what research is saying about the products, and then reviewing them and shortlisting that way.